Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm your phone runs Android 10 or above and is unlocked for eSIM. Next, buy a Holafly eSIM plan for your destination and keep the QR code ready. Make sure you connect to a stable Wi-Fi network before downloading to avoid roaming fees. Open your email or Holafly account to find the QR code and activation code. Keep the physical SIM installed unless you plan to remove it later. Note the plan data allowance, like 5 GB or 10 GB, before installing. Open Settings, then go to Network and Internet, and tap Mobile Network to add a new carrier. Choose Add Carrier or download a SIM instead of inserting a physical SIM card. Use your camera to scan the Holafly QR code or select Enter Code to paste the activation code. Give the eSIM a clear name like Holafly Travel and confirm the download. The profile will install and may activate within 10 minutes after download completes. If activation takes longer, restart the phone and retry. After installation, open Mobile Network Settings and select the Holafly eSIM for mobile data. Keep your primary physical SIM selected for calls and SMS if you prefer to receive local messages. Check that the APN is set to automatic unless Holafly provides a custom APN to enter manually. Disable data roaming on your physical SIM to avoid accidental charges and enable data roaming on the Holafly profile only. Monitor data usage in settings and the Holafly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.